gotta work on the KX450. Right now it's Tuesday, but I'm gonna head down to Pismo hopefully this weekend. So I got this 19-inch paddle tire to try out. I think it's a 10 paddle if I remember. So gotta put that on, clean the air filter. I'm also got a net for the air filter, so that should help with the sand. Some good protective measures. This seat is the stock seat. I'm pretty sure it's kind of ripping a little bit right here, and it's just not grippy, or it's losing the grip. So I got a fresh one from Throttle Syndicate. So it says Kawasaki right there. So I really like that touch. So it should match these plastics I actually just got a couple weekends ago. The plastics make it look a lot fresher, and so with the new seat, it should look really good. Also got a new bar pad and some fresh grips. So gotta put on that tire. Always struggle with putting these on. So let's get started. Okay, so I finally got the paddle tire on the rim ready to go install on the KX, but it actually wasn't without popping the tube and having to request a work order, just having the shop do it. It was really tough to do. Ended up popping the tube. So to avoid any more bloody knuckles, I just paid the shop to do it. And they said it's a tough job on the 19-inch, the side wall is already thin, but just picking up the tire itself, I knew it was really stiff compared to like the MX tires. That's why I started, working on the bike early in the week, because I do need to get it done by this weekend. But we still have some time to work on the bike. Still have to put the seat cover on and all, but let's put the wheel back on. Okay, so I got the wheel on there. Also got the flag mount. Picked up from Amazon, the one that mounts on the axle, and the flag from the same shop. I got the tire change, so it's looking good. But now we gotta change out the seat cover. Loosened all these up already. Turned out better than when I was fitting it on. It just took my time and had to redo some staples. People say get a net when going to the dunes, but just put this around the air filter and should help quite a bit. Okay, bike's all set. Paddle tire, fresh seats. Got the net on the air filter, so bike's all ready to go hit the dunes. So hopefully it goes well. We'll see. It down. It's pretty flat packed in right here. We got 3 lanes going. Someone's got a jet ski out there. It's just one. It's kind of chilly. Like 60, maybe high 50s. flag, so I just stopped and got another one. They got, you know, a couple vendors, but I got a new mount. So when that mounts on the seat right here, I didn't realize they have that. Brings it up even higher. Yeah. You want to point it this direction?
Yeah.
Alright. Use your legs. Might be a little better.
No,
Yeah, I'll push you.
Huh?
Try it. I'll be right here. I'll try to give you some traction. Just keep going. Yeah, keep going. Woo! How is it?
It's cool. I think I know how to shift better now.